Okay, YouTube. So this is an overdue video where I'm gonna harvest some potatoes. Uh, Today is literally December 2nd. So last night we got our first freeze. So we'll see if the potatoes are doing okay or not. But yeah, it's overdue. Probably should have harvested these potatoes last month or 2 months ago. But let's see how they look now. Really, to be a quick video, just because uh, the initial video I was gonna make on these potatoes, I thought the potatoes were duds. So I thought, yeah, I thought the potatoes were duds. So I didn't. I deleted the other videos, not thinking that uh, a potato would grow. But live and learn, I guess. But let's see what we got. I literally see zero potatoes, so this is going to be interesting. There's roots, so that's a good sign. There's worms in here too. Didn't I expect that? So far, I'm finding zero potatoes, so this probably was a dud anyway. So, yep. Well, it looks like there's a potato. I don't know how I can see that, but can we call this a harvest? So yeah, guys, I guess I just compost that stuff, but it doesn't seem like there was any potatoes harvested this year, unfortunately. But I'll try again next year. I think I have a different idea of how I want to grow potatoes, but we'll see how that goes. Just making sure there's no potatoes. Yeah, guys, literally got one potato. Doesn't even look that great either. So, yeah, we'll we'll try again next year. So that is a quick update for you guys. Hopefully, you enjoyed this quick update video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.